strange is happening. What's happening to our health? The statistics are clear. Over the past 3 decades, more and more people are struggling with their health. But why? Shouldn't our advancements in technology and medicine translate into fewer instances of disease and illness? A little research reveals a possible explanation for these disturbing trends. Toxicity. We're being bombarded by it every day through the environment and amazingly through the products we use to wash our bodies, brush our teeth, style our hair, and clean our houses. Many of these products are loaded with ingredients that are potentially harmful to your body. Antiperspirants and cosmetics contain aluminum, which has been linked to Alzheimer's disease. Formaldehyde found in perfumes, shampoos, and more is a known neurotoxin and suspected carcinogen. MEA used in shampoos, body washes, skin creams, and shaving creams has been shown to cause clear carcinogenic activity. Propylene glycol is used in moisturizers, shaving creams, deodorants, baby products, and brake fluid and antifreeze. Sodium lauryl sulfate is a common ingredient in shampoos, bubble baths, toothpastes, as well as harsh engine degreasers and garage floor cleaners. And there's more. Lots more. Here is a partial list of some of the potentially harmful ingredients commonly found in many personal care products. It would seem the first step to improved health support would be to replace those potentially harmful products with healthier, non-toxic alternatives. But finding products that are healthy, yet still work as well or better than the current bestsellers, has been next to impossible. Until now. Welcome to Sizzle International. Sizzle was founded in 2006 by Tom Maurer Sr. and his son Tom Jr. with the mission to create the most powerful personal care products and dietary supplements in the world. In short, Sizzle wants to help people around the world to take back their health. Tom Sr. began taking back his health when he was asked by a friend to use his chemical manufacturing expertise to create a shampoo. Tom began researching the ingredients he would need and was shocked at what he found: harsh chemicals. He then began to check all the personal care products in his home for potentially harmful ingredients. Sure enough, they were there. He threw most of them away immediately. He realized the need for something better, something healthier. And not just in personal care products, but also in nutritional supplements. So he dedicated himself to creating spectacular products unlike the world has ever seen. Products that use evidence-based nutraceutical and botanical ingredients known to be of scientifically proven biological value in the most concentrated strength and form possible. Products that avoid potentially harmful ingredients found in common off-the-shelf brands. Products that use only the most pure, potent, safe, and effective ingredients that nature has to offer, combined with other synergistic ingredients to achieve maximum results. Sizzle has a very diversified product line from hair care to anti-aging to dental care to timeless minerals to the most powerful, highly saturated liquid nutritionals in the market. Sizzle helps you take back your health, but it can also help you take back your wealth. Today's economy has put too many people on shaky financial ground and led to tremendous uncertainty. Sizzle offers every person a chance to earn extra income simply by making healthier lifestyle choices and then helping others to also live a healthier and more balanced life. Sizzle offers a compensation plan that's not only unmatched, but unheard of in direct selling before now, paying out an unprecedented 67% to its associates. You heard right, 67%. A truly remarkable income-earning opportunity. And you can start for as little as the cost of dinner at a restaurant while enjoying many tax advantages that are associated with owning your very own home-based business. Think of the Sizzle compensation plan like your very own franchise or store. First, you take the money you are already spending on personal care products and you use that money to purchase Sizzle-safe products from your very own store with a complete line of health and beauty products free from potentially harmful ingredients. A simple transfer of spending. Then, when you share Sizzle with others, you begin to see a real return on your investment in healthy living. What that translates into, actual commissions earned, is where it really gets exciting. With Sizzle, the average worth of a person within your organization is worth somewhere in the area of $20. Meaning, if a person was to build a small organization of only 100 people, they would be earning somewhere in the area of $2,000 a month. Or to make things really exciting, a person with a team of 1,000 people would be earning somewhere around $20,000 a month. making Sizzle truly the most lucrative compensation plan in the industry. As you can see, getting started is easy, and for a minimal investment, you can build maximum potential for amazing health and financial benefits. Sizzle also has a fast start program that pays out an unheard of 60%. These are just a few of the benefits of Sizzle's second-to-none compensation plan. You may be wondering how this company can do what no other has been able to. It's simple. Sizzle is unlike any other direct selling company in the marketplace today because of its co-founder, Tom Maurer Sr. He's not just a veteran of the industry, he's a visionary who's already built and sold a billion-dollar direct selling company. Sizzle is not about the money for Tom. It never has been. It's about the mission to provide an opportunity and a vehicle for others to experience superior health and financial well-being. Coupled with Tom's mission, he created a communication and presentation system that focuses exclusively on helping you tell the Sizzle story in an engaging, effective, and simple way. This will ensure those who are willing to put in the effort could experience tremendous results and long-term financial stability, positioning Sizzle as the next big thing. As an owner and CEO who works for almost nothing and whose only desire is to enhance the lives of others, it is no surprise that Tom is now setting the pace for all future companies of its type to follow. With over 25 years of experience, an impressive 400,000 square foot state-of-the-art manufacturing facility, a team of the best research scientists in the wellness industry, the most powerful, one-of-a-kind products ever formulated, an incredibly generous and lucrative compensation plan, zero debt, and a presence in 30 countries around the world, Sizzle is, quite simply, the life-changing opportunity you've been waiting for. Everything is in place. The products, the leadership, the timing, the compensation, the system, and most of all, the heart.